It's your favorite fourth grader here, Bernard. I'm here with my brother too. We're bathing our hermit crabs in salt water in this. Yeah, they're in this cup. We're doing this stuff so they can bathe themselves. And let's just do it. Oh, okay.
What's the first one's name?
T-Rex going in.
Let Robert do his. And where do you have to pick them up from?
Their shells.
Why?
Because they could pinch you.
Okay.
That would freaking hurt.
And we do this how many times a week?
Once a week.
Okay. Go ahead. And who else is going in?
Tank.
Okay. Let's see Tank.
Tank pinched me.
Okay.
Hello,
go ahead and
Tank.
put Tank in there.
There you go, buddy.
There you go.
And no, they cannot drown their crabs. I know they want to escape. I know they want to get out. It's just because this is the outside world.
Okay, so can you tell them a little about each one of your hermit crabs?
Okay. Tank is the oldest. You can tell by the coloring of him.
Who else do we have in here?
We have T-Rex in here. He's the second youngest.
Why did you name him T-Rex?
I named him T-Rex because he's big.
He is really big. And Robert, who else do we got in there?
We got Hermit.
Hermit?
Yeah, Hermit.
And point him out. Which one is he?
Hermit's right there, and he's the youngest, but he has a bigger pincher than Tank.
Oh, wow.
For some reason.
They're all purple pincher hermit crabs.
And about how long are we going to leave them in there, you guys?
About 1 minute. 3 minutes, I meant to say.
Okay.
2 to 3 minutes.
Okay. So that's cool. And what's going to happen to them when they get out? They're going to be a lot cleaner?
Yes.
Okay. And what did we put inside the water?
We put these drops that make it salt water.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you're a beginner, you might want to bathe them after my video. But if you're a beginner doing this, you shouldn't. You should go to the store, buy salt water drops, put them in there. And if you put fresh water or drinking water from the sink, you could risk killing them because it's kind of toxic for them. You can put like the water we drink in their sponge. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, so we're coming up on 2 minutes and 42 seconds, so I think it's about time, you guys.
What, to take them out?
Yeah.
Okay, Robert, you can get Hermit first. Yeah, they really like it.
Oh, Hermit, no. Robert. That's
You right. Gotta get Hermit first.
I'm the one that's with
And Tank. They really want to leave after they get it, but then they don't want to leave.
Okay, so now they're fresh and clean. What do you want to say to your viewers before you get off?
Well, like and subscribe. And yeah, that's about it. Goodbye.